Welcome to the Moxi Skate YouTube channel. I'm Evelyn Ivyy, and today I'm going to explain how you put on toe caps. So, when you get your Beach Bunny, you probably see these on the side and you're like, how am I supposed to put these on? So let me show you real quick how you can get these on. So you're probably going to get your skates already laced up. What you're going to want to do is take those laces off. So once you remove all the laces, you're going to grab your toe cap and your lace. Go ahead and just make sure it's even on both sides. It's gonna be right in the center, perfect. Now, I'm not gonna lace up the skate all the way just because we have other videos that are gonna show that, but we do need the toe cap to be on so we can get started. Perfect. So I'm just gonna put the laces away. Awesome, so we're gonna pretend these are laced up all the way because now we're getting to the important part. This is the part that gets really confusing for most. So you're gonna wanna grab your toe stop, and the first thing you're gonna put in is a toe cap. This gets confusing because most of the time you'd imagine it would be the easier thing on the outside, because if you put the nut at least on the outside, you can turn it all day long. But that's actually incorrect, and what's gonna happen is the plastic or the nylon is actually gonna end up going inside, and it can cause either your toe stop or the inside to start stripping. And that's a big no-no, because if you strip this, you're probably gonna have to replace your whole plate. So let's try to prevent that today. The three things you're gonna need today are gonna be your toe stop, a nut, a washer, and a Y3 tool. If you have a crab tool that comes with the lolly skates, those will also work. I personally really love my Y3 tool just because it gives you that extra strength to really push down on the nut and really make sure that it's on there safely. Alrighty, so go ahead and grab your toe stop. This is also my Moxi brake pedal. I really love it, really recommend. Put your toe cap in. Grab your wash. You're gonna wanna pick where you want your toe stop to stop at and how far out you want it to stick out from your skate. I personally really like mine close to my skate, so I'm gonna leave mine about that close. And you have to pay really close attention. This washer has teeth that are either gonna be facing up or they're facing down. If you go this way, you can tell that the teeth are facing downward, so you're gonna wanna make sure that the teeth are up. That way, when they're up and you go to screw in your toe stop, those teeth are gonna hold on the plate and it'll make it a lot more secure. You're gonna wanna screw in your toe stop on the plate. There you go, perfect. And as you see, sometimes you're gonna notice that you're gonna have this big gap and you're like, what the heck? I'm gonna keep turning and now I can't turn and it's gonna become a big old mess. So what you want to happen is you actually want the nut closer to the plate. You're gonna use your fingers. Perfect. As you keep turning, the nut is gonna tighten with the toe stop, so you don't want that. Use your fingers to loosen it a little bit so it's closer to the plate. Keep turning until that nut gets close. All right, that's perfect. Now you're gonna see the toe stop is still wiggly. That's totally okay. This is where you're gonna pull out that Y3 tool. So I'm gonna have to do this myself just with the skate kind of facing me, so you might not be able to see it. The reason is having this toe cap, you kind of have to work around it to turn. So that's what I'll be doing. Let me go ahead and give that a try. Let me find which way to tighten it because I'm really bad with my lefty loosey righty tighties. Perfect. So I'm turning it against me, and if you can't get that grip on this side, that means you're gonna have to move your toe cap. Find the grooves, perfect, and tighten those. It might be best to lay your skate flat and tighten that thing. Use all that elbow grease because you do not want that toe stop to come loose as you're trying to brake, and then it get caught on your wheels, and then you get stuck and go flying. Okay, so now, turn it left, I can't turn it right, I can't turn it. That's how you put on your toe caps. So take a close look, guys. Washer, nut, toe cap, and toe stop. Make sure that your toe cap is not against the plate because you will strip it like I mentioned. So there you go. There you have it. Enjoy. If you learned something today, please like, comment, subscribe, send it to your friends. If you have friends buying beach bunnies or lollies or jacks or just they need to put on their toe stops, this is gonna be a great tutorial. See you guys in the next one.